The best top tube bags to attach to bikes or bicycles. A top tube bag is a handy accessory that you can attach to bikes or bicycles to store mobile, snacks, gadgets, or repair tools while biking, taking long road rides or gravel racing. Here's our list of the best top tube bags to help you choose the right one. Triathletes and roadies also call it a bento box and use it to store their essentials. With various designs and features, choosing the right top tube bag can be challenging. So, explore our list to know more. Number 1. Best Water Resistant Rockbros Bike Top Tube Bag. The tube bag from Rockbros is made of 840D nylon, one of the main abrasion-resistant and long-lasting materials. Its stiff sides help to keep its shape for stability. The body of the front bike bag is long and slender. A well-designed and lightweight bag allows you to ride more smoothly and comfortably. The bike frame bag is big enough to store your wallet, energy gel, inner tube, mobile phone, gloves, repair bike tool, power bank, and so on. Size L, 9.25 by 4.13 and 2.55 inches. Size M, 8.48 by 3.35 and 2.16 inches. The main material 840D nylon can be highly abrasion-proof and durable. Stiff sidewalls help the bag retain its shape and would be very steady. Don't worry about deformation. Waterproof. The surface material of this frame bag is TPU material and an adhesive waterproof zipper. The bag inside would not be wet, you can have a cool ride. This item is a large storage space. Hook and loop design. Fits most bikes and is water resistant. Number 2. Best Durable SLS3 Top Tube Aero Bag. The two micro-adjust rail systems and strong straps tie the SLS3 Aero bag to the top tube beneath the stem. The Aero box is exceptionally solid and safe due to the system configuration, which prevents the bag from falling off the frame. The main pocket is secured with a zipper and is made of water-resistant 600D fabric. The bag has enough storage space to hold a phone, charger, and a few other items. The straps are long enough to snug it down tight against the front tube. Front tube straps are 4.5 inches. The setup takes only a few minutes, and the zipper is high quality and moves easily. We designed this cycling top tube bag with a 15-degree angle to optimize aerodynamics and reduce drag caused by stem and headset spacers. This item is durable. Long Velcro straps. Lightweighted, can be customized. Number 3. Best Adjustable NDakter Bike Phone Front Frame Bag. The stylish bike pouch from NDakter is ideal for holding all smartphones below 6.5 inches and comes with ample storage space. It can store a few items, including a bike pump, cycling glasses, mini repair tools, or small binoculars. The phone case of the bag has a clear and sensitive touchscreen film window to operate the phone efficiently. The bag has a reflective design on both sides for a safe night ride. The bike frame bag is made of ultralight, stylish carbon fiber material and full water-resistant fabric, adopting high-frequency seamless welding technology so that effectively and quickly block rainwater from flowing into the bag inside. The considerate and practical design for sun visor and flashing board allow you to be reassured when used it, even in rainy or sunny day. This item is double waterproof zippers, adjustable Velcro straps, headphone port opening, and stable fit on the handle. Number 4. Best Design Rockbros Top Tube Bike Bag Bicycle Front Frame Bag. This bike frame bag is of large storage room. The main compartment with two net pockets inside of the bag holds your cell phone, wallet, keys, gloves, small tools, energy bar, gels, nutrition or extra junk. The outer elastic rope store your mini pump or gloves. Equipped with 3 adjustable strap for quick disassembly and installation, long strap can be cut down to fit easily. The smooth zipper on the bag make it easier to open and close with one hand while riding. Quick access to everything you need. This front frame bag is only weight 90 grams. It mounts behind the headset to be Aero. The slim body design will not rub on your knees to ensure your good riding experience. Fit most of mountain road bikes. An ideal equipment for triathlon and cycling. Number 5. CXWXC Bike Accessories Top Tube Bag. The bike frame bag, made of nylon, can be highly abrasion-proof and durable. The surface and inside both coated with a special waterproof TPU coating. The waterproof top tube bag featuring sonically welded dry bag technology to keep contents dry, while the hard shell construction keeps dry bag in streamlined shape to avoid leg contact. With its large capacity and easy-to-mount design, our bike frame bag keeps everything you need for your ride within easy reach. It will hold and organize your important items such as your phone, keys, bike tools, and energy bars gels. This means you can head out on a long ride with the extra confidence of having all your essentials and without having to carry extra weight in your jersey pockets. Bike accessories bag easily connects under bike top tube with adjustable Velcro for custom fit. The Velcro are made of non-slip soft leather to reduce friction on the bike tube. It fit perfectly to most road and mountain bikes, and no matter if it was stuffed full or half empty, it maintained its stability on the bike and was always easy to open and close with one hand. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.